So welcome to the demonstration of smart Bluetooth based energy meter controlling and auto tariff calculation. So here we are going to control the two energy meter loads through this electromagnetic relays by sending the commands to microcontroller through this HC05 Bluetooth module. From the Android application we are going to sending the commands to one of these relays. So these relays allow the power supply to this loads. So considering this is the domestic load and this one is a commercial load. So based on these loads, the system will calculate the kilowatt hour reading from the energy meter. So every energy meter consists of a LED which will show the load status. When that particular LED blinks fast, then it will show the status of the load was connected to the energy meter was high load, means we will get the no high power bill. So that LED blinking rates implies directly 3200 blinks rate is equal to 1 kilowatt hour, means whenever the blinking rate was reaches 3200 counts, then the controller will assume that it's going to the 1 kilowatt hour. So if the one blink equal to 1 by 3200 kilowatt hour, so that is the main calculation for every energy meter. So parallelly we are providing the outputs, so from this particular LED to the PC817 optocoupler and from there to the microcontroller. So these two energy meters interface to the microcontroller through the PC817 IC at A4 pin and next C0 pin. So these two are the timer pins of our microcontroller. We are using PIC16F73 microcontroller. So the main purpose of PC817 is a optically coupled IC, so which is a 4-pin IC. So whenever LED blinks over here, so this particular PC817 consists of LED and phototransistor inside that IC. Same LED blinking given to the LED which is inside that, and phototransistor will convert that into the pulses and that will be given input to the microcontroller. So here, if is there any high current and high voltage was generated from this one, only the IC will get damaged. We can protect the microcontroller by placing this optically coupled IC. So that's the main purpose of our PC817 optocoupler. So as we discussed, the interfacing connections A4 and C0 and C2, C3 connected to these two electromagnetic relays, and so-called status continuously displayed on the LCD screen which is connected pin number B2 to B7, and the Bluetooth commands received by the microcontroller pin number C6, C7 directly. So let us see the demonstration. Before on the kit, install the application from the Play Store. That is a Bluetooth terminal application. This is the icon of the application. And now on the power supply. First of all, we need to pair to the HC05 Bluetooth module from the settings, and after that go to the application and look for HC05. So when we are pairing to that, it will ask for the password. The password is 1234. And now, so in this application, we need to change the button names. On D, nothing but on domestical capital A. Same small a for off. Off D, domestical off. So we need to uncheck these two, right, and save. Like the same thing on C, commercial, off, commercial. So now on domestical. So the domestical load will get switched on and we can get the data over here. So here we place a slab rating also. Whenever the ratings crosses the 0.002 kilowatt hour, then the billing rate will be changes. For the commercial, we have added 1.95 per kilowatt hour, and next for domestical 1.95, for commercial 4.75. When the slab changes, so 2.75 for the domestical and 6.95 for the commercial. So now let us switch on the commercial also, just by sending the on command from the system. So now both will get switched on. So we can see the both readings will be changes over here. So whenever you want, we can off the domestical and commercial also. So as of now, the billing rate is going to be the 1.95 into kilowatt hour. When it changes, we can observe that it was changes to the 2 point change, right? So now I want to off the domestical, right? Only commercial load got switched on. So the reading will be continuously increases. So if we connect the 200 watts bulb over here, so we can see the variance in kilowatt hour in rapidly. As of now, we place the 100 watts bulb. So as a domestical is stop the reading because there is no load connected to that. So when it crosses 0.002 kilowatt hour, the multiplication of the bill also increases, right? We can see the drastically increasing the rate. Right, now we can off that. Off commercial, right?